In this proof, we have two triangles. We have RST and UVT. And the only thing that they share is point T. But they do set up a situation where we have vertical angles. And we're going to use that as the focal point of this proof. So the first thing to do in any proof is to insert the given information. So I'm going to go ahead and send that to the proof. And so the given information says ST is congruent to VT, and RT is congruent to UT. And so we have the sides that are on either side of these angles here that act as vertical angles. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and state that these two vertical angles are equal to each other, or they're congruent. So I'm going to go ahead and say that angle RTS is congruent to angle. Now, if I want RTS, I have to stick with the order of the order of the vertices. So that would be, the congruent angle would be UTV. And the reason here would be vertical angles. And now at this point, I have the side of one triangle with congruent to the other triangle, the angle congruent to each triangle, and then the other side congruent to the other side of the triangle. So I have a situation where I have side, angle, side, which is enough to call these triangles congruent. So I'm going to go ahead and state the congruent statement and select side, angle, side. And then I have to set up the justification for choosing side, angle, side. So I have this first side here, that's statement 1. The angle here between them, that's statement 3. And then the second side, which is statement 2. And now I can go ahead and submit this for grading.